Hey, hello guys. Welcome everyone. Good day to you all. Today we are going to see Illustrator tutorial. In Illustrator, how to use gradient tool. That's what we are going to see today. So I have opened here Illustrator software. Just create a new file. Okay, for now keep that settings. Create rectangle. So here solid white color is applied. See, okay, we can create one background. Again, create one rectangle. Go to the layer and bring this down. So just select some dark background for now. Okay, lock the layer. Select the rectangle and apply the gradient. Okay, see, if you apply the gradient, this gradient option will appear here. If you can't see this gradient tool here, means go to the window menu here and select this one. Go to the window menu here and select gradient so that you can see this gradient option here. So this is the tool we are going to see detailedly on this tutorial, and you're going to learn how to change these settings and the angle, the position, everything we are going to see in this tutorial. Okay, so we have applied here a default gradient. I'm going to change this gradient to somewhat RGB color. So if you select directly this color, means it will automatically apply it to solid one. So don't do like that. Click that gradient, select here this circle. Okay, select here and then select the color here. See, now you can't see RGB here. If you are not seeing this RGB, means go to this option and select RGB. So now you can change this to any color as you want. Okay, if you want to change this color, just select that circle and so again it is showing gray color. You can change this one to RGB. Okay, if you move this, means the color also will get moved. Also the pointer here, no, this is the location of the color. See, that also you can change. And if you want to add more colors, means just click in between these two circles. So you can add many colors as you want. If you want to delete it, means just click and drag, or you can select the color and just click this delete button here. Okay, so today I'm going to create some glossy looking button. So for that, I'm going to select golden orange tone for that button. um, What I am doing here is just clicking the circle and selecting the appropriate colors. The color you are deciding here, that is what matters. Color selection is the very important thing to bring the attractive buttons which we are all seeing in games UI elements. So if you want to create brighter tones means just create something which is related bright color and also dark color. Don't select this yellow and this blue or this one. This will not get merged, but if you select the closest color means it will blend very easily. I mean, it will blend very attractively. So since we are creating a button, I am going to change this thing to this. To do that, just select the rectangle box and select this one and click and drag here. Your corner will get curved. I want orange in the top side and yellow in the bottom side. To change that, we have to change the angle of this color. So to change the angle, we can go here and change the angle. See? Also, we are going to give a glossy looking effect. So for that, I'm going to adjust this position like this. See? It is giving somewhat a bevel tone, right? The bottom color, if you make this even more darker means it will look very good. See, that is giving the depth for that button. And also I'm going to apply this gradient to the stroke also. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that for the stroke also. Go here and select the stroke and make sure your stroke is not in this option. Okay, just select some color. Select the stroke value to somewhat 2 or 3 point so that it will be visible. So I'm going to apply the same this gradient to the stroke also. So to do that, select that color, fill color. For selection, just click that. If you want to select the stroke means just click here. Okay, select the fill color and go to here. Temporarily I'm going to save this gradient. So to save this gradient temporarily means just click this one. It will be added here. See, new gradient swatch. So now select the stroke. Same what you are doing here, you have to do the same here also. Okay, select the stroke and then select the gradient. It will get applied. See, now itself it is looking very good. So what this means this is the reverse gradient. It will get just reversed. I will do this for this fill color so that you can see the difference. See, it is just getting reversed. Okay, so what if I'm going to apply reflection for this button? So I'm going to create another same rectangle. So I'm going to copy this one and paste that, paste in the exact same position. Control Shift V. It will be get pasted in the same position. So select that one. We don't need this one, this color. I'm going to apply just simple white color. So I'm going to keep only two colors. Select this color to white, and then this I don't need that color, so click the color and change the opacity to 0. Okay, so we are getting somewhat a reflection, but I don't. You can change the position here like this. We don't need a stroke for this reflection, so just select that one and switch to the stroke and just click this to none. Okay, now we are having this only. Okay, I need more white here, so for that you can move this white color. Since see, this is looking very dense, no? So to change that, you can move this location. Also, here I don't need this much white, so you can change that by adding another color here, and for that color make the opacity to 0. See, okay, adjust as you wish. To give this gradient more highlight, you can add even more details to these buttons. So now itself it is looking very glossy effect. It is giving the bevel look. I'm going to create a circle. Since lastly we applied the gradient, it will automatically get applied to this one also. You can add details like this. this is fine. Alright. To match the shape, you have to create that ellipse too, which has to be parallel to this shape. Okay. Now we can add another rectangle back to this one. I mean, copy the rectangle. I have selected this rectangle. Copy that and then paste it. I'm going to send this to back. So click and drag here. Sorry. So to give depth for this button, I'm going to make a dark tone for that back rectangle. So now it is in the same color. We don't want this bright colors here. Select that rectangle and change all the colors to dark shade. Okay. See, for changing the colors, we don't know how much time it will take because this is creativity and we can't say this is okay and this is okay. Okay, this is fine, I think. Maybe we don't need this. I'm going to reverse this gradient position. Okay. To match that color, you have to bring this light shade to this position. I mean, like this, so that it will get matched to that light color tone. Okay, this is how we can create attractive buttons, UI elements using gradient tool. So there are endless possibilities for the creation. You can play with these colors and you can play with the shapes. You can add more and more highlights as much as you wish. This is the great tool which is very needed for creating game design elements, game UI elements. So I'm going to show you UI elements which I created using only gradient tool. See, these are all created in Illustrator only using gradient tools. So this is how it is created, just like this only. See, the star, the button, the panel, everything. If you want to know how to create these elements individually, means just comment. I will create a separate video on how to create these panels in a separate video. So you can do these kinds of gradient also for the stroke. See, I will make another tutorial how to create this kind of gradient. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment sections. I'm ready to help you. Okay, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.